We are here at Devil's Tower. Is it behind us?
Yep.
It's pretty cool. We haven't even explored it yet, so looking forward to it. It's a beautiful day. A little warm in the sun, but nothing we can't handle.
It is incredible to look at.
It's massive.
Just driving down the highway and getting that first glimpse of it, that was pretty spectacular until you stand here and you just look up at it, and it's unreal.
Yeah.
One thing I didn't realize is that this is the first national monument in the United States. It was established in 1906. I did not know that. The first national monument in the country.
See how much we're learning?
Yeah. So we're gonna go walk around, probably do one of the little hikes around it and take a little tour and show you around. So we're taking the Tower Trail hike. It's paved, it's a little over a mile. It's like 85 degrees today, so we figured this would be the best way to go about it.
But it's kind of nice because this trail has shade as you're walking too, so you're kind of going in and out of sun and shade.
Yeah, so we'll take a nice little paved walk. I know it's not a hike like most people say, but I think it'll be good enough. I think this would be amazing like in the spring when it's probably like in the 60s, and then do the normal hike, but we're gonna enjoy it right now and enjoy the views.
867 feet, whereas the Washington Monument is 555. So. It smells like pine. Which I love too. I noticed that right when we got out.
Yes.
It smells like pine. So it's the end of August, so it's obviously the end of summer. And can you imagine after a rain or the spring how beautiful it would smell if it smells this good right now?
Oh yeah. We are at the halfway point of the Tower Trail.
In the shade.
Sitting here in the shade. We've kind of spread out a little bit. Chris and Diane are probably 100 feet behind us. So we're just having a little seat in the shade. It's a beautiful little walk.
Yes.
I mean, it's a lot of uphill, a lot of downhill. So it's not like you're just walking on a sidewalk. You're still getting
pennies.
Yep, and you're still getting your exercise in. All right, so we just finished the Tower Loop.
Yes.
It was about 1.6 miles was the last sign we saw, and it took us just under an hour and a half.
Yeah, we just took our time. We stopped at places and
took little breaks.
Yeah, looked around. It's beautiful in the shade.
Yeah, we'll go check out the gift shop real quick maybe, and there's a cute little area just outside the main gates. We're gonna check that out and see what that's all about. We are in Deadwood, and apparently there's a huge car show going on too, so it's super crowded, but we're looking forward to it. Have a good time. huge collector car show in the area. And it looks like they're set up for some concert, or big event, something like that. And the big stage set up there. Well, it's awesome. I didn't realize how many little casinos and saloons and stores there are. We just started and we're having a good time already. The girls right now are in Miss Kitty's Mercantile. They're in there looking at all that. Wild West Steakhouse, saloon, casino, everything. We're here at the 4 Mile Old West Town. Friendliest little ghost town in Dakota Territory. It's supposed to be a historic ghost town, or all renovated. Legs look like this? Do you want them to look like this? And we are an RV Snap Pad affiliate, so use our discount code down below for 10% off your order. We are at Wall Drug.
We're gonna go see what kind of food we want to get.
Yeah, it's lunchtime, so we're gonna get some food and then keep looking at all the fun stuff in here. It's pretty awesome.
Yes.
All right, so we're in Wall Drug, and we decided to stop and get lunch here in the cafe. It's like a cafeteria. You go up, you order at the counter. We're looking forward to it. The food looks good from everything that we've seen.
We'll see. See how it goes. But we need a little energy here.
Yes. This place is massive. I mean, you go through all these different storefronts, and they all just connect to the next one. And it's everything from Western wear to toys to souvenirs.
There's a fudge shop.
Fudge shop.
There's a bookstore.
Is there a bookstore?
Mm-hmm. There's all kinds of things.
And then like a real drugstore.
It can
and then
be
they
very
have
overwhelming. But if you just take your time and look, and so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, we're enjoying it. We're gonna eat lunch. Chris and Diane are off looking around. I mean, just split up a little bit, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day here at Wall Drug.
Hello. This is like way too much stuff. Like my brain, it can't like function of all the stuff that's in here.
And we're just at the beginning still.
Yeah. So Chris is like, well, just go to the next store. And I'm like, there's just go to the desk.
Yeah, tell Chris every single store has its own penny smasher.
Oh, I'm here.
Oh, you're already in here.
Yeah, I haven't found the one in here yet.
It's right here in front of me.
Diane's somewhere. She says this is inundating.
Diane's right next to Lareka. Doesn't say what they are. Oh, there you have to actually look. brought the drone. It ain't going up. I don't want to lose it. But look at this view around us. Oh my. We walked down a little bit, down one of the little walkways, just to try to get out of the wind.
It's incredible.
Yes, worth the drive alone. We're only like, it's only like 3 miles south of the I-90 straight from Wall Drug. So it's really not that bad. You make a little turn and a little 1 mile dirt road maybe, and that's it. This place is incredible. So we're gonna go drive around and check out the rest of the Badlands, but this right here, this is worth the trip alone.
Very good.
Badlands behind us, and this is the good lands
Behind us.
behind us.
Yeah, it's amazing how you just go from the canyon to the prairie.
We have hit a red light in the middle of the Badlands. Almost rush hour. Yeah, it looks like they're doing some road construction. It is funny to see a red light though. And we're in the Badlands National Park. This place is incredible.
It's really nice, beautiful. Buffalo everywhere. Dirt, grass. Big hole. It is hot. It's 97 degrees here.
I left Arizona for a reason.
Yeah.
But that's where I'm actually a little thankful for the wind.
Yes.
Because if there wasn't any wind,
Yeah, the wind is.
it's a little bit, but it's going to.
Yeah, but we're in a little cave to overlook spot, and it's really cool. Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful, hazy morning after a windy, rainy night here in South Dakota. We are on our way to Rapid City, where we're going to do a Walmart and a Sam's Club run. I relinquished the driver's seat today, which I very rarely do, and that's Diane driving. And she wanted to drive because I got to drive the long haul when we leave here in a couple of days. So she took the road into Rapid. So here we go. Get my hair cut at Great Clips. Got a really cool person doing my hair who doesn't want to be on camera, but part of being on the road. Okay, so there it is. New me. We did shop probably for the next couple of weeks. For the most part, we didn't have to buy any meats or anything. We had plenty of that. So here's what we buy.